Hey guys, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and today we're going to be going over how to use the T-Gloss sheet during the finishing step of the DigitalHeat FX process. The first step is to print out our artwork. In this video demonstration, we'll be using the Easy Peel 2-step paper. Next, we're going to press together our printed transfer with our polymer sheet. Now, we also call this the B sheet of our Easy Peel paper, and you'll want to use a regular finishing sheet for this step. And the time, temperature, and pressure instructions for this are all going to be in the box with the Easy Peel paper. Now we're going to slowly and steadily peel the two sheets of paper away from each other. And you can see the polymer is just sticking to the toner that's on the transfer. Once this is done, this is ready to be applied to your t-shirt. Now I'll place my cotton t-shirt on the heat press, and I'll line up my transfer nice and centered, and I'll use my regular finishing sheet again when I press this. And this also works for polyester. You'll just want to follow the polyester instructions that are in the Easy Peel paper box. Next, wait until your shirt is completely cooled to remove the carrier sheet. This next step is really important because it's where we'll be using the T-Gloss sheet. So I'll go ahead and I'll put my shirt back on my lower platen of my heat press, and you'll see the T-Gloss has a shiny side and a matte side. You want to make sure the shiny side is face down on top of your design, and then you're going to press at 360 degrees for 8 seconds. This step also requires a cold peel, so you want to take this off of your heat press so that it'll cool down faster, move it to a cool area, and then remove the T-Seal sheet. And you'll notice your design has a nice glossy finish to it, and it can also help improve the stretchability and durability of your design. The T-Gloss really is intended to be a one-time use product, but we have seen some success with using it 3 or 4 times. Now, just like our flexible finishing sheet, our T-Seal, and our regular finishing sheets, it's just another great way to finish your DigitalHeat FX prints. But what we recommend is that you have all of these products on deck, see what works best for you, and see what your customers like the best. So if you want to learn more about any of these products, go ahead and visit colemanandcompany.com and live chat with one of our pros.